Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best curved gaming monitor on the market right now. The Sceptre 30-inch curved gaming monitor.
If you're serious about gaming and looking for an immersive experience, this might be the monitor for you. The Sceptre 30-inch monitor boasts a stunning 2560 by 1080 Full HD resolution with a 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio.
This means you get incredibly sharp visuals and an expansive field of view that enhances your gaming and multimedia experiences. Let's talk about what sets this monitor apart. First up, it offers an impressive 200Hz refresh rate over DisplayPort, and up to 120Hz over HDMI 2.0. This high refresh rate ensures smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur, giving gamers a competitive edge. Another standout feature is AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's frame rate, eliminating tearing and stuttering for fluid gameplay.
Sceptre has included FPS and RTS display presets tailored for different gaming genres. Whether you're into fast-paced FPS games or strategic RTS battles, these presets optimize the monitor's settings for the best experience.
For those long gaming sessions, the blue light shift feature reduces harmful blue light emissions, helping to prevent eye fatigue and strain. Moving on to the design, the monitor features a sleek, curved design that not only looks great but also enhances immersion by wrapping around your field of vision. It's also VESA mount compatible, allowing you to free up desk space and adjust for the perfect viewing angle. Built-in speakers provide decent audio quality for casual listening or gaming without the need for external speakers. In terms of connectivity, you have HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. From a user perspective, setup is straightforward, and the on-screen display menu makes it easy to customize settings to your liking. The monitor's thin bezels and anti-glare screen coating further enhance the overall viewing experience. To wrap it up, the Sceptre 30-inch curved gaming monitor delivers on both performance and aesthetics. With its high refresh rate, AMD FreeSync support, and tailored gaming presets, it's a solid choice for gamers looking to elevate their setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy gaming!